Good afternoon, everybody. How are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe. Sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult. Don't feel sad. We are here to help you out. And thanks to Cambridge International School Dasua, who has taken initiative for e-learning, and we are here to help you out because your future really matters to us. So myself Rita from Cambridge International School Dasua, your history teacher, your civics teacher, and today I am going to teach you chapter Nationalism in India, which we have started earlier. So today my target is to give you two questions to write and to learn. Fine, both carry 5 marks. Before going to further topic, this is a time for recapitulation. Because without recapitulation, you will not be comfortable with the recent topic that we are doing today. So earlier we have done, from the very beginning I am going to start. Satyagraha movement, right? Those 3 places, you have to remind those 3 places because we will do map also. Then we have done Rowlatt Act. Then we have done Jallianwala Bagh, non-cooperation movement, then civil disobedience movement, then Salt March. इतना सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी, इवन बायकॉट मूवमेंट के बावजूद भी, we were unable to get independence. So now today we are going to do topic, describe the role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for the upliftment of depressed classes. Depressed classes means SC, BC or ST people, scheduled tribe people. Fine. So let's start with this question. This question will carry 5 marks, and the same topic, my dear students, you will get from page number 68 and 69. This question is at 68. One beautiful paragraph is written there. You can take out the heading as well as explanation from there. Now, shall we start this question? What was the role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for the upliftment for SCBC people? First point you will write here. The first point will be organization by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for the upliftment. So, organized depressed association. This will be your heading. Organized organization. You should write organization. Organization for depressed classes. When? 1930. It was associated in 1930. And what they have done? In this association, actually Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was always in the favor of scheduled tribe and scheduled caste people. Every time he was thinking like minority, because these people belong in a minority group, so this group should not be remained behind or left behind than the majority people. Those were in number of, you can say those were in big number like Hindus people. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was thinking that without organization and without a reservation, SCBC people will be unable to get their rights. So he organized and make one association for depressed classes in 1930. Second point you will write when he clashes. Second point, clashes between Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar. Because after failure of second roundtable conference, there was a big clashes between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Because Dr. B.R. Ambedkar always want that policies should be in favor of minority groups also, like SC or SCBC people. But Mahatma Gandhi never wanted to adopt a separate kind of electoral system for minority group as well as for majority groups, because where the program of unity will go there, then if there will be a separate participation or separate electoral system for minority groups and separate electoral system for Jats and separate electoral groups for, or separate electoral system for other caste, then there will be different kinds of groups. Then where will be the unity of the nationalism and unity of the country will go? Because every time Gandhiji was fighting for the unity. Hindu, Muslim, SCBC people and all class people. So there was clashes between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, because B.R. Ambedkar wanted separate electoral system for SCBC people, but Mahatma Gandhi didn't want this. So there were fight like scene between them, both of them. Then third point you will write, British agreed upon Ambedkar. This was another reason why Gandhiji got angry, because British government was in favor of Ambedkar's demand. उनकी डिमांड क्या थी? There should be separate electoral system for minority group SCBC people. But Gandhiji was not agree, and the British government took this decision, and the British government was in favor of Dr. Ambedkar's demand. Then fourth point you will write, Pune Pact. Pact means agreement, and this agreement was happened in Pune, so this is known as Pune Pact. It happened in 1932. According to this pact, separate electoral system and reserved seats in provincial, you will write reservation, reserved seats, can I write here? Reserved seats for provincial as well as reserved seats in provincial and general election also. So reservation for provincial as well as central legislative council. And central legislative councils. ये डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर की डिमांड थी. बट Gandhiji was not willing to appreciate it, and he was not willing to participate in it, and they were to be voted in by the general electorate. ये भी आप लाइन लिखोगे कि general electorate वाली लाइन भी, because you after writing those general electorate line, then this point will be completed. So there were clashes between Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. Now fourth point you will, can I write here? Yes. Fifth point. After clashes, when there was a Pune Pact, and there was again clashes between Mahatma Gandhi and Ambedkar, then Dalit movement continued to the apprehensive. Dalit movement continued. This will be your fifth point. To be apprehensive. This will be your fifth point, because Dalit movement continued to be apprehensive and of the Congress, apprehensive of the Congress led national movement. Apprehensive and led the national movement. Apprehensive to be apprehensive of the Congress and led national. Actually what happened, the thing was that minority groups always want their rights, because they feared that the time will come and they will merge into majority people group, or they have to leave their demands and accept majority people's demand. वो हमेशा से ऐसा डरते थे. So B.R. Ambedkar took this initiative. Pune Pact and separate electoral system was separate reservation given, and reservation given to SCBC people. So this was the question, first question that you will write in your copy and revise as well. You can also get help from page number 68. One beautiful paragraph is written there. But don't write question in a paragraph. You have to write with the heading and explanation. Achha, my dear students, I want to tell you one more thing. When I check your notebook, a number of students they write like 1.2, 3, 4, 5 like this only. They never make headings. Mind it, if there will be no heading, your points will be deducted. You will not get 5 out of 5, you will get 4 or 4 points, though you have written full answer. Because presentation is not good, it means you will not get full marks from the question. So heading and elaboration must be there. So this is first question that we have done today for 5 marks. Now we are jumping to second question, question number 2. I hope all of you are ready for question number 2. This question also carry 5 marks. Yes. Question is actually, this question is also written in your books. You just go over there and highlight this line, or you can underline these 2 lines, and please write after that, examine the statement. Just wait, I am showing your book to you. Yes, this is your book. And here you are watching page number also. Fine. So you are watching these 2 lines na, some of the Muslim political organization up to movement. After underlying up to movement, you will write the line, examine the statement. Okay. And now their question will be, some of the Muslim leaders, inverted comma, this is question number 2. Okay. After writing full question, then you will write commas closed, full stop, examine the statement. Lukewarm wali puri line likhkar, then examine the statement. This will be your question. This question also carry 5 marks. Are you ready for the question? This is the second last question from the lesson, and then after doing this question, only 1 question will be left. So the question is, some of the Muslim political organization in India were also lukewarm to the response of civil disobedience movement. ऐसा क्या था सिविल डिसऑबिडेंस मूवमेंट में कि कुछ चीज़ें और भी थी कि पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो इंडिया में थी वो उनके लिए उनको प्रोवोक कर रही थी. ठीक है. सो आंसर विल बी लिटिल लेंथी and little complicated, but I am going to teach you in a very interesting way in 5 points with conclusion. ठीक है. So are you ready? First point you will write for this question that association like a number of association for Congress within Hindu Mahasabha. Associations of Congress within Hindu Mahasabha. ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. इसमें क्या था? What happened after Pune Pact and after failure of Khilafat non-cooperation movement? Now Muslim leaders and Muslim people were realizing that though they have there were huge participation of Muslim people in that organization and in that movement, civil disobedience movement, there was no that kind of fruit which they were thinking. ऐसा जो उन्होंने सोचा था ऐसा उनको फ्रूट मिला नहीं. Because their rights were not given as per the demand. So after failure of this movement, Muslim people were start thinking that they are alienated from the society. Alien like feeling आ गई उनमें कि वो तो कुछ अलग हैं इनसे. So हिंदू महासभा जो है Hindu people were in a majority. So they were fearing Muslim people were feared that they will be merged in Hindu people majority. So there was little drawback of that movement. Then communal clashes. उसके बाद लगातार लड़ाइयाँ होती गई. You will write communal clashes. Okay, I am telling you between how. Communal clashes between Hindu and Muslim. Even all, but Hindu और Muslim में सबसे ज़्यादा थे. And this thing tortured Mahatma Gandhi. Every time he was thinking that the time should come that Hindu and Muslim people come together under one umbrella for the nationalism so that they can get independence from British rule. ऐसा हुआ भी ना. When Khilafat movement was launched, तो गांधी जी also joined Khilafat movement along with their non-cooperation movement. But वैसा फ्रूट मिल नहीं पाया मुस्लिम पीपल को जैसा उन्होंने सोचा था. So they quit for the movement. Now हिंदू महासभा की वजह से मुस्लिम पीपल were also thinking that they are in minority group and they will feel like alienation. Now communal clashes between Hindu people and Muslim people, and they become wider and wider. ये और ज़्यादा बढ़ते गए कम होने के बजाय. Even this issue could not solve. हिंदू मुस्लिम का issue solve हो ही नहीं पाया. And finally the result was partition of India. 1947 में Hindu and Muslim people become separated. Hindu people will live in Hindustan and Muslim people will live in Pakistan. Then issue of demand for separate electoral. Issue of demand for separate electoral system. देखो अब ये फिर वो separate electoral system मांग रहे हैं. Separate electorate. Now see, SCBC people want separate electoral system. Muslim people want separate electoral system. Do you think Gandhiji would be happy? Gandhiji would be not happy, because every time he was thinking for the united collaboration, for the united struggle, and people were breaking into groups and into communities. So because they were minority people, they were feared that the time will come they will merge into majority group. So they were demanding for separate electoral system. Now states of Muslim in Hindu majority. Now states of Muslims, क्योंकि हिंदू मेजॉरिटी में थे, ठीक है, और जो मुस्लिम थे वो मिनॉरिटी में थे, एंड दे वर थिंकिंग द टाइम विल कम एंड दे विल मर्ज इनटू मेजॉरिटी ग्रुप. सो इशू ऑफ रिजर्व्ड सीट्स इन सेंट्रल असेंबली, ये सबसे फिर क्या होना था रिजल्ट, है ना. सो दिस वाज द रिजल्ट कि इशू फिर उठाया गया असेंबली में. Issue of which issue was raised? Issue of reserved seat. Issue of reserved seat was raised. और आपको पता फिर कौन आया? When this issue was raised for reserved seats in Central Assembly, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a famous Muslim leader, came in front. वो सबसे आगे आए, but Congress did not accept. लेकिन कांग्रेस ने इनको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. Now you tell me why. Can you tell me why, or can you make any guess? When Muslim leader, now this including, you are going to include the same thing in this point only. Now the Muslim leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah, बहुत से लोग ये मानते हैं कि जिन्ना की वजह से ही पाकिस्तान बना था, है ना, बिकॉज दे वर इन फेवर ऑफ इन मुस्लिम पीपल्स डिमांड. बट वी विल नॉट डू दिस काइंड ऑफ इशू. वी विल नॉट read about, or we will not discuss about this kind of issue. So our topic is only to how Muhammad Ali Jinnah contributed for the Muslim people. Now these are 5 points that we have done, but question अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. You have to sum up this question. Sum up आप करोगे कि when Muhammad Ali Jinnah was there and he was also in favor of demanding the separate electoral system and reserved seats for Muslim people, and all hopes for the unity and all hope for resolving the issue at the you can say all party conference जो 1928 में हुई थी. ये आप this you will not include in the point. This will be conclusion, but you will not write heading conclusion. Separate para you will make and write these 2-3 lines, क्योंकि ये सबसे important line है, but you will not include the same 2-3 lines in 5th paragraph. All party, yes, all party conference. ये कब हुआ था? ऑल पार्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस 1928, और इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया था M.R. जयकर. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, because of the efforts of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, separate electoral system was given to Muslim people, and there was conference in 1928, and you can say disappeared when M.R. Jayakar of Hindu Mahasabha strongly opposed this kind of issue, and efforts at compromise. So when again civil disobedience, आप ये end करोगे, the last line I'm telling you, when civil disobedience movement was relaunched, ठीक है, जब दोबारा लॉन्च हुई थी, then Muslim people they didn't show their any kind of participation. अब उनका जैसे ट्रस्ट खत्म हो चुका था, है ना, कि मेजॉरिटी पीपल हैं, हिंदू पीपल, एंड एवरी टाइम कांग्रेस पार्टी इज डूइंग इन फेवर ऑफ डिमांड्स आर इन फेवर ऑफ हिंदू पीपल. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हेन सिविल डिसऑर्डरनेस मूवमेंट वाज रीलॉन्च्ड, मुस्लिम पीपल नेवर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इट, दे नेवर शो देयर इंटरेस्ट इन इट. And this is the topic that we have done today. We have done 2 topics today because this question is little lengthy and complicated, so I spent huge time for this, and today we will not go do any question more, and you will spend full time for doing these questions. One is contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and second question for you can say contribution of Muhammad Ali Jinnah or lukewarm. Fine. These 2 questions you will write in your copy, and many doubts are from your side that ma'am, what about picture based question, है ना, because comprehension question also will come. So today we have covered this picture. Fine. Figure 10, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Azad at Sevagram Ashram, Wardha, 1935. What this picture reveals, ये आपने यहाँ से पढ़ना है. आज हमने सिर्फ एक ही पिक्चर कवर की है. Side by side I am teaching you all the pictures also because picture based question will come, though they will come only for 1 mark, but these source D or source A, source B, this you have to just revise only, or to learn, or to read only, not to learn, to read only, because comprehension based question will come from these sources. Source A, source B, source D लिखा होता है ना प्लस बॉक्स में, है ना, तो you have to read also because those question comprehension based question will come from those paragraphs. Before ending up this video, I am telling you one important thing. See, my dear students, number of students are complaining that from civics chapter federalism, ma'am, 1 or 2 videos are not available on your Facebook. Fine. So what you will do, I am going to re-upload these 2 videos. ठीक है, for the technical problem, those 2 videos were deleted. No worries, I will be uploading those 2 videos when this chapter will be complete. Now from this chapter only 1 question is left. Now make sure, or if you want to write the note in your copies, you can please write, or you can please note down in your notebooks that in my next video, next lesson, you will arrange map along with you, because only 1 question is left. That will be the last question from this chapter. 1 question is left for 5 marks. After doing that question, because it will take only 10 minutes now to teaching that question, so you will arrange your map. In my next video, we will be doing 1 question for 5 marks and map question from this chapter. Okay. And I hope I am clear, and if you are having any doubt or any queries, any questions in your mind, I am here to help you. You can drop your complaints at my WhatsApp personal account, then I am here to help you out. You can also send your clicks of your pages of homework notebook where you are going to write your questions. I will check it and send you back. So today your homework is these 2 questions, and in my next video we will be doing 1 question for 5 marks and map question. Thank you very much for listening me very carefully and patiently, and have a wonderful day ahead. Stay home, stay safe, and concentrate on your studies. Thank you so much. God bless you.